We'll draw front view, top view and left side view of the object shown here. We'll take this as the front view direction. So in the front view we are able to see this surface in its true shape, and then under this we'll be able to see this rectangular surface of 72 by 6 millimeters, and the outline of the hole is not visible. Line 145 millimeters, go up by 25, to the left by 145 minus 36, that is 109 millimeters, go up by 90 minus 25, that is 65 millimeters, to the left by 36 millimeters, and down by 24 millimeters, to the right by 12 millimeters, down by 36 millimeters, to the left by 12 millimeters, down by 24 millimeters, and to the right by 72 millimeters, down by 6 millimeters. Now repeat line from here down by 6 millimeters. Now we have to show the hidden outline of that U slot. This, it will be a vertical line hidden at a distance of 50 plus 12, that is 62 millimeters. So from here 62 millimeters down by 25, and this should be a hidden line. Properties: must be a hidden line. And also we'll draw a center line there. Draw line from here a distance of 50 millimeters. Draw a center line from the end of this 25 millimeters. Now we have to draw the hidden outline of the hole here. So line, this is 24, diameter is 24, so up by 12, to the left by 24, down by 24, and to the right by 24, and match properties of this to this and this. Delete this line, also delete this line. Now this is now we have to show the hidden outlines of this hidden outline and this hidden outline here. They are at a distance of 30 mm from the axis of the hole. So line from here 30 millimeters and to the left by 12 millimeters, and then from here 30 millimeters and to the left by 12 millimeters. Okay. Now delete this line, delete this line, and then line from the end of this to the end of this, line from the end of this to the end of this. Now match properties of this to this and to this to this and to this. They are not visible. So that completes the front view. Now we have to draw the top view. In the top view we see this as 145 by 72. So take alignment, (145 by 72), 145, 72. So that is the base. Now from here 36 millimeters and down by 72. Also we have to show this edge and the corresponding top edge here, which are not visible. They are at a distance of 12 millimeters from this end. So millimeters, 72 millimeters, and then make them dashed. Now we'll mark the outline of the hole. So to mark the outline of the hole, from the center of this, go up by 12, 24 to the left, 24 down, 24 to the right, enter. Delete these additional lines that you have drawn and match properties of this to this and this. Now draw a center line. Draw a center line from the middle of this to the middle of this. And here we have to mark this edge and this edge and corresponding two edges here, which are not visible, but right now this distance is not available, so we'll draw these two edges after we draw the side view. The left side view will be, meanwhile we'll draw that U slot here. From the middle of this, go up by 12, 50 millimeters to the left, 24 down, 50 to the right. That is rectangular portion of that this thing. Now we have to draw the semicircle. Draw arc, start, center, start, end, center, start, and then end. Then trim this edge, delete this line, and also delete this line. So that is the U slot. Now we'll mark the centers. Draw a center line from this to this. Repeat center line from this to this. So that is the top view. Now we'll draw the left side view. For drawing left side view, take alignment here 72, and then this will be 90, 72, and 90. Okay. And this edge, backside edge, not visible, so repeat line from here on this 72, and that is hidden, so apply to this. Now we'll show this U slot line from the midpoint of this to the right by 12 millimeters, down by 25, to the left by 24, up by 25. So repeat, delete this line, delete this line, and match properties of this to this and to this. Now draw a center line from here to here. Now we have to draw this hole and this circular cut here. So line from the bottom, it is at a height of 48 millimeters center. Now a hole (24), that is 12. Keep the circle on the end of this. This is 60 millimeters, 30 millimeters radius. Okay, and now from the top here 24 millimeters and 72 millimeters, and from the bottom 30 millimeters, from the bottom here 30 millimeters up and 72 millimeters. Now trim this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion and this portion. So that is how we see. Now you see we have that this width available here. So you can take it on divider and mark those two hidden edges here. So I'll take this as this line. It is about 12 millimeters. So now I'll mark those two edges here. So line from here 12 millimeters down and 12 millimeters to the right. Again from here 12 millimeters and 12 millimeters to the right. So now match properties of this to this and to this. Delete this line and also delete this line. Now we have to show that cut at the bottom here. It is from this corner 50 millimeters up by 6 millimeters to the right by 50 millimeters. Okay, and that is visible. So that completes the front view, top view and right side view. This you can delete now that you have marked it. We have to write dimensions and then finish the drawing. Show that cut at the bottom in the top view from here 50 millimeters to the right by 72 millimeters and down by 50 millimeters. Now delete this line, okay, and write dimensions for that. (72). Repeat linear from the end of this to the end of this 50 millimeters, but those two lines are hidden lines. So match properties of this to this line and to this line. Now mark the other dimensions. Write dimensions and finish the drawing as shown. That completes the drawing.